Hey everyone, if you own a Jeep or Ram and that dreaded check engine lights popped up with a U11E9 code, lost communication with AGS, let's break down exactly what's going on, what it means, and why you shouldn't ignore it. First, U11E9 is a diagnostic trouble code that stands for Lost Communication with Active Grille Shutter, AGS module. The AGS is an electronically controlled system that opens and closes shutters behind your vehicle's grille to optimize engine temperature, improve aerodynamics, and boost fuel efficiency. This issue is covered in manufacturer communication, star case S2008000131 Rev, and it affects a wide range of Jeep and Ram models, especially those with the AGS system built before April 10, 2018, but even newer models can experience it. So, what are the symptoms and what causes it? Most commonly, you'll see the check engine light, and sometimes you'll notice reduced fuel economy, longer engine warm-up times, or even hear the cooling fan running more than usual. The U11E9 code almost always points to a communication problem, usually a wiring issue. It could be a cut, pinched, or corroded wire in the fascia harness, or a loose or oxidized AGS connector. In some real-world cases, owners have found rodent damage to the wiring or water intrusion causing corrosion at the connector. If you or your mechanic recently removed the grille or bumper and started the engine with the AGS unplugged, that'll trigger the code too. Even a quick battery disconnect or jump start can sometimes cause a communication glitch. Here's what you can do. First, inspect the AGS connector and wiring for any visible damage, corrosion, or loose pins. Pay special attention to the harness near the grille, where it's most exposed to the elements. Reseat the connector, clean any corrosion, and repair or replace damaged wires as needed. In some cases, a simple cleaning and reconnection solves the problem. If the AGS was unplugged for service, just reconnect it, clear the code with a scan tool, and take the car for a drive. The system will usually reset if the communication is restored. If you're replacing the grille shutters on an older Jeep or Ram, especially those built before April 2018, you may need a wiring kit or to repin the connector to match the updated part. Skipping this step means the U11E9 code will keep coming back and the AGS won't function properly. Ignoring the U11E9 code can have consequences. The AGS may stay stuck open or closed, which can lead to poor fuel economy, higher emissions, longer warm-up times in winter, or even engine overheating in extreme cases. Over time, this can stress your cooling system and reduce engine efficiency. Remember, this isn't a recall, just solid advice from the manufacturer to keep your Jeep or Ram running at its best. Addressing the issue early can save you from bigger headaches down the road. If you're still stuck, your dealer can always reach out to Star Support for advanced troubleshooting or wiring diagrams. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more Jeep and Ram tips, and drop your questions or real-world experiences in the comments below. See you next time.